With Valentine's Day right around the corner, it's time to start thinking about what we can make for dinner that looks fancy and is tasty without breaking the bank. So after checking our website and cookbooks for some ideas, we came up with a new spin on chicken marsala that's perfect for two and is clean your plate good. All we do is coat a couple of skinless, boneless chicken breasts with a bit of seasoned flour and saute them in a mixture of vegetable oil and butter till they're golden. Then we take them out and add a bit more butter before tossing in some cut up mushrooms and onions. After they're tender, we deglaze the pan with some chicken broth and a splash of marsala wine, along with a bit of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Once that thickens up, the chicken goes back in until it's cooked through and it's ready to serve. Just make sure you don't forget to spoon lots of the sauce over each piece, because that's the best part. And when you cut into this, get ready for one of the most tender and flavor-packed dishes you've had in a long time. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our chicken marsala for two. This, along with a few candles, a glass of champagne, and a little soft music, will give you all the makings for the perfect Valentine's Day dinner. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a romantic way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.